Here's how to check if your controller is Bluetooth or wired. So the first thing that you get to do is go ahead and check your controller. If you can see there a port where you can go ahead and put on the wire, it means it is a wired. Now, if you see that it has no port, it means that your controller will only actually works if it's connected to the TV via Bluetooth. As you can see, there is a battery behind the controller. This means that it is a Bluetooth. There is also a toggle or a button that you can press to turn it on and wait for it to light up so that you can use it. And that is how you check if your controller is wired or Bluetooth. Make sure that it has a battery so that it can go ahead and work. But if it's Bluetooth, then you can just go ahead and turn on the toggle button and then put on the game that you want.